we organized certified 5-day workshops in the cities of Dubai and Lyon, dedicated to professionals who would like to know more about smart and sustainable cities and projects, to connect with the local companies, and to visit some local smart urban projects. Workshops are structured as an interactive training for the participants with specific slots in the morning for lectures and group exercise. Afternoons and evenings are dedicated to networking with local companies and to visiting local smart projects. The educational content starts with reviewing the trends and describing some projects in worldwide cities, then it is focused on the digital transformation of the city where the training takes place. These workshops are regularly organized in the cities of Lyon and Dubai as a 5-day event. The objectives of these workshops are to develop synergies between international companies and to improve knowledge on worldwide urban digital environment and strategy with a local focus. I am Professor Philippe Bouvier, founder of the Institute of Urban Value Creation. See you soon.